In this video, we'll walk through the standard installation process for the compact refrigeration system from MRCOOL. We'll show you how to properly mount and set up the unit in a walk-in cooler. Step 1. Position the supplied cutting template where the unit will be installed. Once you're satisfied with the placement, use a level to ensure the template is perfectly aligned, then tape it to the wall. Next, drill pilot holes through each corner of the template. These holes will serve as your new reference points for the wall opening. Once all 4 pilot holes have been drilled, use a straight edge to draw the cut lines between the corner holes. With the opening clearly marked, carefully cut along the lines and remove the cutout. Step 2. Prepare the installation sleeves by bending the pre-cut tabs outward 90 degrees. Position the smaller sleeve along the bottom of the opening. Once it is seated, fit the larger sleeve around the remaining perimeter of the cutout. The number of sleeves required depends on the wall thickness. For walls less than 3 inches thick, a single sleeve set is sufficient. For walls between 3 and 6 inches thick, 2 sleeve sets must be joined together. After everything is aligned, secure the sleeves to the wall using the supplied hardware. Next, wrap insulation around the sleeves and seal all contact areas properly. Step 4. Before the unit can be secured in place, assemble the supplied support bracket system. Step 5. Remove the mounting screws and brackets securing the system to the pallet. Keep the screws, you will need them later. And now the unit is ready to be lifted into position. Step 6. Carefully align the system with the wall opening. Slowly slide the unit into position. It's important that the unit remains level or slightly pitched outward during installation. Step 7. Once the unit is positioned correctly, attach the L bracket to the top of the system. And making sure the system is still level, secure the L bracket to the wall. On the other side of the system, install the support brackets to the unit. Again, making sure it's level before finally screwing into the wall. Now it's time to reuse the screws removed from the pallet mounting brackets. Secure them back into the unit as shown. Step 8. Install the supplied drain connector and attach the drain hose. Make sure the drain line routes downward to allow condensation to flow freely. Step 9. Electrical connections. MRCOOL requires that all electrical work meets the local and regional requirements and that any electrical work must be completed by a licensed electrician. Connect the unit to a dedicated disconnect box. Remove the appropriate knockout and route the wiring to the unit. Connect the black wire to L1, the red wire to L2, and the ground wire to the green grounding screw. Next, connect the thermostat cable to connector cable 21. After confirming all connections are secure, reinstall the covers and the system is ready to be turned on. Thanks for watching this installation walkthrough for the MRCOOL Compact Refrigeration System. For additional information, refer to the installation manual by scanning the QR code. The MRCOOL Compact Refrigeration System. Comfort made simple.